Hi, hello everyone, and welcome. My name's Mimi, and I talk all things beauty, style, and fashion and DIY on this channel. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Today I am coming with you with no makeup on my face and with 7-day-old hair. I actually only wash my hair once a week, and because of this I use an extremely high hold hair gel so that my hair keeps some kind of curl definition and pattern throughout the week. It also makes my hair extremely crunchy. And the gel that I used previously was the Got To Be Glued Ultra Invincible Styling Gel. This stuff is thick. It is very, very thick. It's like glue. It's got no scent to it. It smells like alcohol actually, but really no scent, and it is extremely like gluey. It's really hard to rub this into the hair to get it to smooth out. Even when you add liquid to it, it really feels, looks, and acts like, I'm sure you can see that, like Elmer's glue. And so that's what I've been using previously. And while my hair was shorter than this by about 1.5 inches, this gel worked really well. But as my hair is getting longer, it's just kind of weighing it down too much. I like a lot of volume in my hair, but I still want the same amount of hold. It can be a little bit less, but basically the same amount. And so I decided to try this Tresseme Extra Hold Alcohol-Free Styling Gel in this bottle. And this is also supposed to be fragrance-free. It's supposed to have this Pro Lock technology and give no crunch with 24-hour frizz control. We shall see, because my hair frizz. And let's look at this one. Okay, it's a bit still clear like the other one I showed you, which is right there. So this one is, ooh, it's a lot more liquid. It doesn't have the same kind of thick consistency. It's still thick, but it's a lot less. It's easier to spread out on my hand. It's a lot less sticky than this one. I mean, it's definitely, it's more watery. So this one feels like glue, and this one feels like still feels like glue, but a lighter weight glue. So I'm gonna wash this bad boy, do most of the styling of it, and come back to show you how this applies in one section in the front. And then once it's blow dried, I will be back to completely show you how it looks and see if it holds up to how this looked on day 7. So I'll be back at the end of the week, next Saturday I think, to show you the day 7 hair and see how it holds up to this. So, okay, my hair is freshly washed, slightly towel dried, and I put nothing in it just yet because I want you to see how long it is and also what my natural curl pattern looks like right out of the shower. This is it. It really curls up a lot with gel and looks a good bit shorter. So I am going to style my hair with my trusty, dusty, Curl Bounce defining brush. This one, I always use this brush. I love this brush for defining my curls, and I will be right back. I have already put most of the gel in my hair and styled it with my little brush, and I've just got this one little section left that I am going to do right now for you. And I can already say that this gel is much easier to get into my hair than the previous one I was using. It's a lot more liquid. I use about that much. And my curl pattern just springs up beautifully. And my hair already looks thicker than it did with the other gel. It's quite amazing. It's added a lot of volume, and I like that so far. So show you, ta-da, curls. All right, I'm gonna blow dry and I'll be back with the finished result. Alright, I'm back and my hair is still just a little bit damp, and I absolutely love the way this looks. It's a little soft and it's still a little damp, but it looks so beautiful. It's so pretty and it's got movement to it, and it's not hard. It's not hard at all. The only downside to this is that I used over half this bottle on my hair. That's how much I used, because I used about a quarter-sized ounce amount per thin section. So one of these bottles is only going to be like one wash styling, and a half a head, one whole head and a half. So that's the only thing I don't like about this. I like that it has no scent, and then I like the kind of soft hold that it gives, but I'm worried about how this is going to hold up for me throughout the week, because I really do require a lot of hold to keep my hair from frizzing. I do not like having to wash my hair every 2 or 3 days because it's a lot of work. So I will be back in 7 days, next Saturday, to show you the completed end result. But before then, I'll be back tomorrow morning to show you how this kept overnight. Cross my fingers that it looks good, because I am getting ready to go to bed, and this is my hair completely dry, and I am going to put it up the way I always do for nighttime, which is to use these little scrunchies and make some little ponytails like this. I like to do 2 on each side and 2 in the back. And this is to keep volume in my hair. I always do this. I'm actually quite terrified that this isn't going to look well in the morning, because it's so soft. It's literally soft. It feels very natural. It doesn't have much of a cast. Okay, so now I'm going to tie on my scarf. So I'm terrified that when I sleep on this, it's not going to look good in the morning because of its softness, but we shall see. I will be back in the morning. Okay, everyone, it is the moment of truth. I am going to take this down after sleeping all night under this scarf and see what this bad boy looks like. I know that they say scarves preserve hairstyles, but in my case, it doesn't do much. So let's see. Okay. All right. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Curl. Yeah. Okay. 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 Give it a shake. All right. Yes. Okay, this looks great. I'm happy with how this turned out. All right, I am not going to complain about this because it looks good. It actually looks really, really good. All right, I am going to see how this holds up for 7 days. I will be back in a few minutes with my hair styled and fluffed out a little bit more. to show you what it looks like on day one and to see how it took the styling and fluffing out. So I'll be back in a few minutes. All right, so this is my hair for the day. It's been styled and fluffed out, and I always redampen my hair with my continuous water bottle spray to reactivate and scrunch it a little bit, because sleeping on it does flatten it out. And then I always put some more hairspray on top, and I'm using this styling spray. It's natural hold, aloe-based, fragrance-free and alcohol-free styling spray by Lily of the Desert, this one. I'm going to be replacing this one with the one by Tresseme because that is a better hairspray. Even though this one's natural, this one's wet, very wet. So I could have probably just sprayed my hair down with this and scrunched it, and it would have been just the same. So it looks very soft and very natural. There's some very soft frizz. It's got the bangs up here, which are always hang funky after I sleep. It didn't shrink very much. It looks long. Okay, day one is looking natural. I don't think this is going to hold up for 7 days, but I will be back when this completely like bites the dust. Hopefully this will hold for 7 days, but I think it's going to completely die before then. Let's just wait and see. Everyone, I am back with day 3 hair, and it's not going to last another day. Unfortunately, it's soft, it's pretty, but it is not going to hold up. I've got some frizz going on right here that I tried to restyle, a curl that completely died. Yeah, it's just not going to work. I'm going to have to go back to my higher hold hair gel because this is not looking good. So what do I think of this Tresseme hair gel? Hold on, let me get the tube for you so I can refresh your mind. So here it is. What do I think of this? It's a very, very nice hair gel. I think it would be a very nice hair gel for somebody that wants to do, with my hair texture, that wants to do slick backs, pull their hair back, because it's brushable and it's soft. It does have enough hold to last for 1 day, like it claims. But if you want to do more than 1 or 2 days with this, it's not going to work for my specific curl pattern and hair texture. If you have a more defined curl pattern, one that's less frizz, as you saw how my hair looked wet, then this will be a wonderful, wonderful hair gel for you, but just not for my kind of frizzy curl pattern. Will I continue to purchase this? If I grow my hair longer, I will, because it will be good for slicking my hair back. The other hair gel that I use on my curls is not good for that. I mean, it's cement. It literally holds your hair in one style forever. This doesn't. This gets soft like it says. It's not bad. It does what it says. It does give soft definition. It's just that definition is too soft for me. I need a little bit more hold, unfortunately. So I probably will not restyle my hair today, will I? I'm not sure. But it will get restyled before the end of the week. It definitely will, because this is not lasting. Not at all. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you about this Tresseme Extra Hold Hair Gel. And if you like this kind of video, please give me 2 thumbs up, like, and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. P.S. It didn't last 7 days. 3. Now like and subscribe.